Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download as MP4 video format on Canva onto your mobile device. So in this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android when you use the Canva app. And if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. So let's get into it. I'm on the Canva app right here, as we can see, and I've got this design, this project that I've been working on, and I'm ready to actually export the video as an MP4 format. You can go up here to the top right, it's an upwards pointing arrow, and then press download near the bottom. And then Canva is going to automatically suggest that we download or export this as an MP4 video. But for some reason, if you wanted to change that, you can go into there and then select a different file type. But as we're happy with MP4, that's fine. And once you've actually finalized everything, press the purple download button and give that a little second to actually update. But now Canva has exported this file onto your Photos app on your mobile device. And we can actually press save video again from within here just to confirm. But if we swipe out of here and go to the Photos app, you can now see that the file has been downloaded and exported from Canva onto your Photos app on your mobile device. So guys, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks very much.